I've used Maths Champs in a couple of ways. I've managed to introduce it to the children in ICT lessons when we have the netbooks available. I've used it in my maths lessons occasionally as well. And the biggest hit has been setting Maths Champs as a homework task, and the children absolutely love it, and they can't wait to get home and get started. Last night I set the boys Maths Champs for homework, so it'll be interesting to see what the parents make of it.
Very keen when he first brought Maths Champs home. Keen to get started, came with his login ID, and he was raring to go. You know, Mrs. Darby has told me to do my homework and this is what I've got to do, so we logged on immediately, and he was, you know, doing his maths questions and going to the right levels. Really enjoyed it, actually. Really enjoyed it, and took over the other homework. Well, maths homework for Abe now is he's far more enthusiastic. You know, he wants to come home and do his times tables and division. I think he's even touched on as well in year 2, so that's been fantastic. No, it's been really good, because just the enthusiasm that I'm seeing, that he wants to come home and do his homework when it comes to maths. Not that he didn't before, but this is just so much more. I have had a trial, quick trial, so it's been good fun. And I have a younger boy who's very keen to also start, but I think it's a lot harder for him at the moment.
Well, he was really enthusiastic about it. He absolutely loved going on the site. I think my main problem was actually getting him off the site. He was quite, you know, once he was on there, he just wanted to go on and do more challenges and see how far he would go, and it was very engaging, actually. When Yusuf comes home from school, the first thing he wants to do is his maths homework, which is very unusual. In the sense he just throws his bags down and sits in front of the computer and just wants to go straight on it. And there's a variety of games, so he can sort of switch from one to another, and it does entertain him, actually. I have had a go, and it's been really good. Yeah, it's been very good at brushing up my multiples.
Did you get on the leaderboard?
I was below him on the leaderboard. That's how much he's been practicing. He absolutely loves playing multiple match. I think that's his absolute favourite. The leaderboard has been a really good incentive because he doesn't know who anybody else is. He sort of sees the initials and says, right, well, I'm here, I'm at X position, I'd like to get, you know, maybe 2 places higher this time, and it sort of brings him back to it, I suppose.